think I'm out of touch with these kind of speeches lately. First of all, starting nunchi PVP and Vinay and Sankalp, when they came to me with the offer, time lo they were like, we're not sure if you would want to do it. ఎందుకంటే ఒక normally at that our time లో I was only taking up full-fledged, like I should have a really good presence in full film. They were like, sorry, girls are not allowed inside submarine. So this is the only way we can get a girl in the film, by making her a refugee. And she'll have her own character, she'll have her own presence in the film. But we can't make her an officer because she can't be in the submarine. So I said, okay, it's a very difficult decision. Kani ilanti films lo, to be just a part of it is a big deal. ఎందుకంటే first submarine, first underwater war film of India, not just Telugu or any other particular language. So I think that was good enough for me to say yes. Also, Sankalp's research, full presentation, little teaser also ready before we started shooting. That was good enough for me to believe in this director. Sankalp, be ready for a lot many speeches coming up. You will have to prepare quite a bit. Uh, so I, so producers do have a big part to play in me saying yes, because they could convince me that this is good enough to be there, be part of Ghazi. Rana, I don't know what to talk about Rana because I know him as a really good friend. Uh, Ghazi Mundu, actually, we worked in Hindi in Baby with a couple of scenes together. Also, we worked in Arambam in Tamil. Ippudu, we only didn't work together in Telugu. So you're like, why Telugu? We both started off in Telugu, and in Telugu, we are not getting cast together. And finally, I'm happy. Maximum numbers of scenes shared between us were in this film only, even though they are very less, but this was the maximum. I think we need to do a one full-fledged film together. Yeah, now that we are known in all the three languages, you know, we are the elite category. Okay, so yeah, I mean, it's such a wonderful feeling to work with him. More than as an actor, I know him as a human being. One of the best human beings you can have around, with bigger heart than his size. Let me tell you that. So yeah. You're welcome. Thank you so much for considering me good enough to be a part of Ghazi. I cannot tell you, Telugu to paatu, actually Hindi lo kuda, people are really looking forward to it. Akkada kuda, when I go out for interviews or wherever, people keep telling me how wonderful the trailer is, how international it looks, and the fact that Karan is supporting it makes it even bigger. So the whole country is waiting for it. I can get those vibes. I think everything is so positive about this film, and I'm so proud that it's coming out of Telugu industry primarily, because that's where I started. So now it feels I can actually show off. So, you know, this is where I started off, and it has taken us to Hollywood standards. Since I was not really part of Bahubali, this is my only claim to fame of international standards. So yeah, thank you so much. This is the best speech I can manage. Thank you.